Hello everyone, my name is Shamika Tompkins and I'm an independent consultant of Paparazzi's Accessories. However, the information that I'm going to share today is vital to not just paparazzi, it is also significant to any other business or direct sales business that you may be in, whether you be Mary Kay, Avon, or what have you. One thing I want to share with you, again, my name is Shamika Tompkins and my consultant ID is 91773. When you join a direct sales company, your sponsor, your upline, is going to give you a list. They're going to give you a checklist of different things that you need to go ahead and do to help you get started and to be successful in your business. And that's a wonderful list. The list is probably going to say, make a list of friends and family, like figure out who your warm market is, people who may be interested in joining, set up your social media, order product, etc. and so forth. All of those things are great. However, I want to advise you to please also make sure that you are handling your business from all aspects. We just came out of tax season. Okay, tax season is over. Here we are now in June. Tax season ended in April. But you need to make sure when you start your business, speak to a tax preparer. Speak to a professional. Let me give this disclaimer. I am not a CPA. I'm not a tax professional. However, I have been in this business for a couple of years now, and so I've had to do my taxes, and so I want to give you this advice. Speak to someone who can give you information and give you a tool and a guideline to say, these are the things that you need to track. These are going to be your deductions, because what you don't want to have happen is that you don't want to wait until, okay, it's time for you to do your taxes, and you go in all excited and you're like, yes, I know my business can be a tax write-off and I'm going to get these deductions. And then your tax preparer says, okay, I see your receipts that you have from when you pay for your events. I see your receipts that you have this from when you purchase your product. Now, how many miles did you travel? And you're sitting there like, well, I didn't know I was supposed to be tracking my mileage. And you don't want them to say, well, what was the space that you utilized in your home specifically for your business? And you're like, you know what? I didn't measure that space. I don't even know. Well, so that's why it's important that if we're going to be in business, that we handle business from all aspects. So that way, when we go to get our taxes done and we're going to, get our deductions and to capitalize on all of these things, we can know firsthand and we can be prepared so we can track it as we go, and not trying to backtrack at the end of the year trying to figure out, okay, I spent this, I spent that, I earned this, I earned that. So you want to have someone to help you get things structured. Okay? Because if you're anything like me, when I first got started in this business, I didn't know anything about what I was going to need for my taxes. I know I needed to save my receipts, but different things I didn't know, because I haven't been in business forever in 10 days. I wasn't like someone who grew up with someone grooming me to be in business. So they were telling me, you got to track this. I didn't have that example. So you don't want to find out things the hard way. So put yourself in a position that you can do better, and then that way, as you begin to grow your business and expand, and if you're in direct sales and you're growing a team, or if you're an entrepreneur of another sort and you are gaining employees or what have you, you can train other people. You can give them the same great advice and say, listen, I'm not a tax preparer. These are some of the things I know, but you need to speak to someone specifically who specializes in this, who knows what the tax laws are, because things can change from year to year. So that's why I say there are a few things that I know, but I don't give any advice about taxes aside from seeing someone who was a professional, because that's not my area of expertise. So I'm not going to speak out of turn. Okay? But please, please, please speak to a tax professional as soon as you can. And one thing I would definitely advise you, if you do not have a separate account for your business, it behooves you to get one. If you are someone who is trying to work your business off and your personal, your business money, and manage your business money through your personal account, that's a big no-no. You want to have everything separate, okay? And you want to track everything as you go. But if you don't speak to someone who can give you the guidance and give you the information and knowledge about what you need to be tracking, then how can you track it? And we don't want to miss any opportunities to get a deduction, because I'm going to tell you, If you're someone who's already working, then you make a certain income. If you're working your business and then you start making an income from that, that puts you in another, it could possibly put you in another tax bracket. So the higher up you go with tax brackets, then of course that means more money you make, more money you're going to pay. But those deductions are going to help you. So you need to know what they are in advance so that you can track them as you go, okay? All right, my name is Shamika Tompkins. Thank you all so much for watching. If this video has benefited you or if it has blessed you in any way, please share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in becoming an independent consultant of paparazzi, where we sell that $5 nickel and lead free bling, please go ahead and comment interested or reach out to me. My email is missmika5@yahoo.com, and that's MSMICA, the number 5@yahoo.com, or you can call me 804-852-0131. Thank you all so much and have a blessed and wonderful, prosperous business. Bye now.